So, why are decks so good, in my view, for participants? So, I think for one thing, they take the spotlight off you as a participant. So, when someone asks a question and you feel like everyone's looking at you, waiting for you to say the perfect answer, if you're holding a card in your hand or a deck, I think it just kind of takes that spotlight off and it allows you to connect with something differently and it just shifts the energy in the room. I think they are more playful. And being playful makes people more curious, more open and willing to explore things and try things out. And I think ultimately it also makes people more honest. And then a card deck, again, because it's got that playful element, it can feel lighter, but they can also go so much deeper. So why do card decks help facilitators? A really good card deck can hold the structure for you and allow you to take a step back. Your participants can get stuck in using the deck while you observe and kind of guide as needed. They level up workshops. So who wants a printed piece of paper with a list of values on? If you can have a load of cards with values on that you can move around, discuss, sort, compare, just makes everything more dynamic. If you have a great deck, it can speed up your design process. So a really good deck will come with activities you can use. So that's an hour or two already planned that you can just plug into, the topic of your workshop. And then the last thing, if you create your own card deck, it leaves a lasting impression. So you can use it in the room with people, or you can let them take it away. So every time they touch that deck, they think back on the session that you did with them and think of you. So it's like a brand kind of presence that you can leave behind with people.